Welcome back. Good morning. Who I am? Yes, your English teacher, Meshra Madam. And who are you? Take your name and say, I am Rashi, I am Divyansh, I am Gauravi. Take your name and say, I am. Hi, ma'am. Okay. And to children, how are you? Yes, you all are fine, and I know. Because you are strong. You are clever. Okay. So let's sing song once again in the morning. Yes. In the morning, come to me. I will teach you A B C. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z X Y Z. Butter on the bread. If you don't like, better go to bed. Got it? Okay. Oh, you also have learned. Yes, this rhymes. Yes, you have to learn this rhyme. So, children, today I am going to tell you how to write letters in four-line book. Huh? Children are using four-line book like this. So, how to write letter on four-line, I will explain. Okay, and keep in mind. And you have to follow that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is your four-line book. One page. Okay. Now I am going to write letter L. Capital L. Standing line, sleeping line. So you have to write standing line, sleeping line. Standing line, sleeping line. Standing line, sleeping line. Standing line, sleeping line. This is your one page. And down, 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 down. You have to write like this. L, 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 L. L, L, L. 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So down, down one page write down each page L, capital A, down, down, down. And we have to use only 3 lines. You have to use 3 lines. I am using 3 lines. Red line to blue line. I am not using this line. You should not use this line. Okay. This is for good handwriting. This method for good handwriting. Suppose I taught you today L letter. So one page you have to complete classwork. Okay, PH and classwork. This is your classwork. Okay. So we are writing like this, L, 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 L. L, 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 L. Okay, like this. Here L, standing line, sleeping line. Standing line, sleeping line. Suppose here letter T. Okay. Suppose ma'am taught today letter T. So down, down, down. Sleeping line, standing line. Write down, down, down. Sleeping line, standing line. Sleeping line, standing line. And next day, suppose I taught you letter I. Okay. So one standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line. Suppose ma'am taught you letter E. Okay. E, letter E. One straight standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line, sleeping line. Right here. Standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line, sleeping line. Standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line, sleeping line. Suppose ma'am taught you letter F. So one straight standing line and two sleeping line. Write down, 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 down. Standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line. Standing line, F for fish. So letter L, write like this, like this, like this. Letter T, 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 T. Then I. Then E, then F. F for fish, F for fish, F for fish. Suppose ma'am taught you today V letter. Okay. Example. Slanting line, go up. So down, down, down you will write V. Letter V. Down, down, down. Straight line. Okay. So, suppose ma'am taught you today letter A. Okay. A. Letter A. Capital A. A for apple. A for apple. A for apple. Got it? Now V for van. Down, 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 down. You have to write. V for van. V for van. Suppose ma'am taught today letter X. So this is your 4-line copy. So slanting line. X. X for Xmas. X for Xmas. X for Xmas. This is example. Now suppose I taught today L letter. Okay. Look here carefully. Have you seen? Okay. This is your book, notebook, and this is one page. So write down letter L. Letter L. 5 times. Letter L. L for lion. L for lion. Okay. And now you are complete your work, full page. Okay. Then next day, suppose I taught you T letter. So write down letter T. T for table. T for table. T for table. T for table. 5 times. Okay. Now suppose ma'am taught you today like ice cream. I for ice cream. Okay. So 5 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lines are there. You have to use only 3 lines. So now I am going to write letter I. So red line to blue line, straight standing line, slipping line, standing line, slipping line, standing line. Like this way 5 times. We are writing 5 times. I will show you one book. Okay. This is 4-line copy. Okay. So write 5 times. Suppose this is your first page, 1 page. So write down 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, like this. Suppose I taught today letter A. Okay. So say and write red line to blue line, slanting line, red line to blue line, slanting line, on the blue line, slipping line. A for apple, A for apple, A for apple. Okay. So now I will show you book. Okay. Look here. This is your 4-line copy. And I taught you so many lines, 3 lines. So this is standing line. Have you seen? This is standing line. And we are using only 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. So write like this. Standing line, standing line, standing line, standing line, standing line, standing line. Got it? दिख रहा है आपको? तो आपको 3 लाइन यूज करना है. देखो ये 1 स्टूडेंट का बुक है. तो ही कंप्लीट हिज वर्क. तो standing line, standing line, standing line, standing line 5 times. Okay. Slipping line. This slipping line should be on the base line, 3rd line पर. ये रेड लाइन टू ब्लू लाइन, ये स्लिपिंग लाइन 3rd लाइन पर लिखना है. स्लिपिंग, 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 स्लिपिंग. सी लुक हियर. Yes. And students are using pencil. Got it? Now this is slanting line. ये देखो ऐसे ऐसे रेड लाइन टू ब्लू लाइन, slanting line, slanting line, slanting line, slanting line. And we are using only, yes, 3 line. So which line is this? Slanting line. Now again I will show you letter L. Okay. Letter L. Look here. Letter L. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times he wrote. Okay. Look here. Letter T. How to write? Wow. Good handwriting. है ना? ऐसे लिखना है बच्चों आपको 5 टाइम. देखो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I letter 5 times. Look here. So you have to write like this. आपकी मम्मा को बोलो 5 डॉट दो और आपको ये लिखना है 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. आपको 5 टाइम लिखना है. आपके बुक में आपको ऐसे लिखना है. लेटर, which letter is this? Letter I. Letter I. Got it? Now letter H. 5 टाइम लिखना है. 1 2 3 4 5. ओके, 5 टाइम लेटर H ऐसे लिखना है. 3 लाइन यूज करना है. अगर आपने 3 लाइन यूज नहीं की तो आपका रॉन्ग हो जाएगा. ठीक है. लेटर F. लेटर E. Look here. 1 2 3 4 5. And look here. Wow. Good handwriting, no? Yes? Yes. So you have to write like this. Use only 3 lines and use pencil in the notebook. What you will use? Pencil. So write like this. Letter E. Write like this. Okay. Now letter X. Look here. Letter X. X for Xmas tree. 5 times. Okay. 1 2 3 4 and 5. And again I will show you one activity. Okay. This is match the pair. Same to same letter. Here I draw here letters and here also letter. So this is match the pair. Same to same letter. Letter L, T to T, I to I. So parents, you have to say it like this. Very easy. Write here letter and here also. And take match the pair practice. Now I draw here some pictures. So letter L, letter H, picture lotus, house, fan. Which picture? Table. What is this? Yes, xylophone. What is this? Xylophone. And what is this? Egg. I have draw here some picture and I have write here letters and we are going to match. So letter picture lotus with letter L. Lotus L. House H. House H. Fan F for fan. Fan with letter F. Table with match with T letter. And xylophone match with X letter. And egg match with E. So L for lotus. H for house. F for fan. T for table. X for xylophone. And E for egg. So take like this practice. Now this is revision. Letter L, letter T, letter I, letter H, letter E and F. So first assessment we are going to learn 6 letters. Letter L, T, I, H, E, F. So take revision. Letter L. L for lion, L for lion, L for down, 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 down. Now T revision. Letter T is revision. Letter T. T for tiger, T for tiger, T for table, T for teddy bear, T for tiger, T for tiger. Letter I. I for ice cream, I for ice cream, I for ice cream, I for ice cream, I for ice cream. Like this you have to take. Now letter H. H, full page. Now letter E. Right, it is revision. Letters revision. Okay. So one page you have to take practice. Now I am going to show you again one. Which picture? Xmas tree. This is I and this is lollipop. This is ice cream, tortoise and hat. And I have drawn here pictures and I wrote here some letters. So we are going to circle the letter. So L is there, X is there, F is there. So circle the letter. See the picture and circle the letter. Which picture is this? Xmas tree. So circle the X letter and there is I. So E for I for I, no. T for I, E for I. Okay. Now, what is this? Lollipop. So circle the letter L. There is ice cream. So circle the letter I. There is one turtle. So circle the letter T. T for turtle. And there is hat. H for hat. So circle the letter H. H for hat. T for turtle. I for ice cream. L for lollipop. E for I. X for Xmas tree. Got it? Very easy word. See here. Letter V 5 times. Have you seen? We are setting book like this. Notebook. And you have to take practice like this. You have to do practice like this. Write 5 times and give your dot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So write like this, like this. V for van. V for van. V for van. Look here. W for watch. W for watch. Write full page. W for watch. In the notebook. Practice. Okay? Practice notebook. PH. This is your PH. Z. See? Z. Z. Z for zigzag. Z for zebra 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Write like this. दिख रहा है आपको? Z for zigzag. Look here. Letter K. 5 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Letter K. Full page. See? Letter A. A for apple. A for apple 5 times. Apple. Got it? Now N. Letter N. समझ में आ रहा है? आपको ऐसे लिखना है. Letter N. Full page. One letter. Full page. Letter M. M for mango. Like this, like this, like this. Letter C. Look here. C letter. C. Full page. Write like this. Down, down, down. Down, 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 down. Okay. C. Letter D. Parents, you have to set like this, right? And give dot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And take practice like this. Okay. D for dog. D for dog. Now O. 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down, 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 down. Write down, down, down. Write like this. Like this, like this. Okay. Got it? Now letter Q. See? Look here. Down, down, down. Straight. अगर ऐसे नहीं किया तो आई विल शो यू वन एग्जाम्पल. अगर आपने डॉट नहीं दिए तो बच्चे कैसे लिखेंगे? सपोज आई वांट टू राइट हियर लेटर ए. सो लुक हियर लेटर ए. सपोज A for apple. A for apple. If dot is not there, A for apple, they will write like this, like this, like this, like this. Down, 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 down. That's why we are giving dot particular. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So they are writing on the dot. Down, 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 like this. Give dot like this. Okay. And take practice like this. Down, down, down. Okay. That's why we are giving dot. They will write particular on the dot. Got it? समझ में आया? Okay. So take practice like this. Okay. And take care. Do study. Bye. Have a nice day.